Why can't I just be new? Be new, God.
Where is he? Why is he not strong? What is this knife doing? Abi, it's not what I'm thinking of. No! Guy, are you hearing me? Guy, I know what is going on there. I know. Why am I seeing a knife outside? Guy, what is happening? What is happening? Open the door, open the door. Guy, please, open the door. What is happening?
My wife died on her way to Atlanta for honeymoon. I watched Wednesday drive her to the underworld.
Underworld irony. That those things you spoke are still things you speak about. So you see, my friend, you cannot really escape the reality of that by killing yourself.
I want to kill myself to forget my worries.
Killing yourself won't solve the problem. Just listen to me. Forget everything that has happened to you. And cry out to God. Just do it, please. Don't kill yourself. All these things won't make you have gain at the ending. Just listen to me, please. Open the door. Just listen to me, please. Don't kill yourself.
Everything is just happening to me that I don't want. Sickness, diseases,